Let's open a slime with me.
Holland's, slime
Okay.
for,
And we're gonna mix it.
And then this
Oh.
is for Ella, but I told her it's gonna go into the fridge.
Okay, so we got
Do you want to do cinnamon rolls?
these charms that we're gonna put in it.
It's a family business, and like
A air-dry clay.
and a rabbit.
And some slime. So we're gonna mix these together. It's from the Kawaii Slime Company.
Oh, this is for Holland.
Yeah.
They have, like, really
Okay.
pretty
Oh.
slimes there. Look at the polar bear one.
Oh, it's great.
It's really pretty. Ella, Holland
like
gives us
great.
the tree, right?
Yeah. So we're gonna add some air dry clay. Yeah. So. Oh. This is like very interesting. Okay. I've never done this before. Honestly, this feels very interesting. This is very stiff.
Oh, did the gift cards come?
It's very hard to stretch.
You didn't open the box?
No.
Why? Hmm? We're gonna get
Extremely
Selena a ice
stiff.
skater.
Okay, so now
How's
we're gonna.
it working? Is it working good?
Yeah. Now we're gonna add the
Just put some. Don't put all of them. Remember, she said you just put some.
Oh, this is. We don't need this charm.
Here, put this back that got out on the counter.
I think it's gonna be an amazing slime.
It's koi.
But if I do this,
Here, save this for another time.
okay,
Here, and then she said keep this in. Is it good?
it's okay. It's very stiff.
Here, I'm gonna put this back in this bag because it's for like another time.
Okay. So this slime, I guess, is okay. It's very stiff, so I don't know what else to say about it.
Stuff.
It's like
Yeah,
hard to
that's good though. 'Cause
stretch.
the more you like push, like mold it, it'll get like looser. That's good.
But I don't know.
You have to mold it with your hands.
It's good for like bubble pops, but like if you were like one who likes like texture, then I would prefer like slime with like Bingsu bees or something. If you
Ella,
like,
I'm gonna put Lillian Presley's gifts around
Okay.
the table.
if you like slimes with awesome crunches, then I would prefer that. Okay. Like I would prefer that, but like if you wanted like
It's on the table.
if you like bubble
Okay.
pops,
Got ice cream.
get this. I mean, it's not very switchy, but it's just good for bubble pop. Oh. Feels like light to me.
Yeah.
I guess it, but if you let this like sit for a little bit, then it will be better. So let's do some ASMR.
That's cool.
Oh, look, get the ones on the floor and put them in there.
Okay. Bye, guys.